Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blueair Pure 511 iMax. The Blueair 511 iMax is our top pick for small spaces, as it noticeably cleared and improved the air quality in our test space. It was also one of the quietest air purifiers we tested, even at its most powerful setting. We liked that its reliable air filtration was enhanced through the on-demand convenience of a mobile app, which controls power settings and monitors air quality in real time. While we tested the previous version, the 411 iMax, we haven't had a chance to test the 511 iMax, the upgraded version in the Blueair line. It offers many of the same features as the 411 iMax, including Wi-Fi-enabled voice commands, auto mode, night mode, and an optional child lock to keep settings intact. This model also features a well-optimized 20W motor for maximum energy efficiency. Given that, in its popularity and high ratings on Amazon, we felt it was worth including here. Like the 411 iMax, 5-color air quality indicators let you know when your air quality improves, diminishes, or could benefit from filter maintenance. The external-facing pre-filter effectively captures pet hair, can be rinsed with water for regular maintenance, and is available in 5 muted colors. Where the 511 iMax differs is that it has a CADR of 125, versus 411 iMax's 141 CADR, which is suitable for rooms of around 237 square feet. You also have the option to purchase the smoke block filter for enhanced odor neutralization, or the allergy block filter, which is more effective at capturing allergens from the air. These specialized filters run around $40 each. Coverage area, 237 square feet, dimensions, 14.5 by 9.3 by 9.3 inches, filter type, HEPA, CADR rating, 159, dust, 174, pollen, 153, smoke, smart capabilities, yes. Number 2. Levoit Air Purifier 3-in-1 Filter Cleaner. The Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier is small, measuring 6.5 by 6.5 by 10.4 inches, and is designed to clear the air in spaces up to 337 square feet, so it's ideal for use in smaller spaces, such as bedrooms, dens, or offices. It weighs a little over 2 pounds, making it easy to move around until you find the right spot for it to work. Similar to our top choice for tackling odors, the Levoit Core 300 Smart True HEPA Air Purifier, the Core Mini has a 3-stage filtration system that is designed to filter out air pollutants, and it runs quietly, so it's unlikely to interrupt your sleep. We found the Core Mini Air Purifier to be small but mighty, capable of clearing smoke, dust, and allergens from the air. It also tackles larger particles, like pet hair and dander, but it is not as effective with the bigger irritants as other air purifiers that made our list. The device comes in 2 colors, black or white, but we felt the power cord could be a little longer. You might need an extension cord with this air purifier. Coverage area, 337 square feet, dimensions, 6.5 by 6.5 by 10.4 inches, filter type, HEPA, CADR rating, not listed, smart capabilities, no. Number 3. Rabbit Air -A2 Ultra Quiet HEPA Air Purifier. The Rabbit Air -A2 Ultra Quiet HEPA Air Purifier with Wi-Fi has a 5-layered filtration system including an activated carbon filter, a specialized HEPA filter, and a custom pet allergy filter. Throughout our testing, this purifier effectively and quietly improved air quality by clearing pollutants out of the air, from pet hair and dander to volatile organic compounds, like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The purifier has a sleek, modern design that takes up minimal space and can easily be mounted to a wall. When operating in silent mode, the device is virtually undetectable, and for complete uninterrupted air filtration, sleep mode turns off the light-up display for an extended duration of time. The app and on-device display indicate changes in air quality and help you monitor the status of the filtration to maximize the performance of the -A2 Ultra Quiet. And while it's the most expensive air purifier on our list, it also comes with a generous 5-year warranty from Rabbit Air. Coverage area, 700 square feet, dimensions, 20 by 21.4 by 7 inches, filter type, HEPA, CADR rating, 166, smoke, 173, dust, 171, pollen, smart capabilities, yes. Number 4. Levoit Core 300S Air Purifier. The Levoit Core 300 Smart True HEPA Air Purifier quickly extinguished the palpable aroma of incense from our testing space in under 30 minutes, and even at its lowest and quietest setting, its air purifying ability was measurable. Inside the compact air purifier, 3 layers work together to filter out particles as large as pet hair from the air, a pre-filter where lint and fibers are trapped, a HEPA filter collecting dust, pollen, and dander, and an activated carbon filter, which is essential for the removal of odors, like smoke and fumes, that can enter your home. The Core 300 Smart True HEPA Air Purifier is Wi-Fi enabled and easy to set up. It can be controlled and monitored from an app or through the LED display. It is also responsive to voice commands. It has 3 air intake settings. At the highest, the decibel rating peaked at 58, which is comparable to a quiet household dishwasher, so it's unlikely to disrupt you while sleeping or watching television. For use in a room with a light sleeper, it has a sleep mode that will turn off all display lights and keep the air purification system running as quietly as possible. Coverage area, 219 square feet, dimensions, 8.7 by 8.7 by 14.2 inches, filter type, HEPA, CADR rating, 141, smart capabilities, yes. Number 5. Dyson Purifier Cool. In our various effectiveness tests, this air purifier from Dyson was exceptionally efficient with clearing air pollutants, including smoke, and significantly improved the air quality in our testing space. The Dyson Purifier Cool TP07 Smart Air Purifier and Fan was previously our best overall choice because of its powerful filtration capabilities, cooling effects, and quiet operation. But with a price that's nearly double our current best overall, the Winex 5500 to 2-4-stage True HEPA Air Purifier, we decided to find a new spot for this one on our list. While it is a larger unit, its footprint is relatively small, making it a great floor air purifier that won't take up too much space in your home. It also emits minimal noise with low decibel readings even at the highest power level, so it's suitable for use in a bedroom and is unlikely to interrupt your favorite TV show. Aside from its quiet operation, this purifier also has smart capabilities with a user-friendly app that connects to Wi-Fi. The app has the same capabilities as the magnetized remote that comes with the purifier and also tracks the room's air quality over time. The top of this purifier oscillates to evenly move air and clean it while the unit is in use. This purifier will automatically sense changes in air quality and react to best clean the air, and then report changes directly to the linked app in the control panel. Backward airflow mode allows you to use the purifier alone without a cooling effect as well. Coverage area, not listed, dimensions, 4.72 by 8 by 41 inches, filter type, HEPA, CADR rating, not listed, smart capabilities, yes.